спокойно поговорить, наверное, о тех же вопросах, но неофициально.
Russian President Vladimir Putin recently hosted Prime Minister Narendra Modi for a private engagement at his official residence in Novo Ogaryovo outside Moscow. This meeting, held during Modi's first visit to Russia since the onset of the Ukraine conflict, underscored significant diplomatic gestures between the two nations. During the informal meeting, Putin praised Modi's leadership and dedication to India's progress, acknowledging his recent re-election and years of service. You are a very energetic person, able to achieve results in the interests of India and the Indian people. I would like to congratulate you on your re-election as Prime Minister. I think this is not an accident, but the result of your work over many years. The result is obvious. India firmly ranks as the world's third largest economy. Modi in turn expressed gratitude for the opportunity to serve the Indian people, emphasizing his commitment to the nation's welfare. The leaders engaged in discussions facilitated by interpreters, culminating in a private conversation while walking through the residence's garden. The meeting also featured a symbolic gesture of friendship as Putin personally drove Modi in an electric car around the premises. This gesture further highlighted the personal rapport and diplomatic camaraderie between the two leaders. Prime Minister Modi, reflecting on the meeting, expressed optimism about further strengthening the Indo-Russian friendship through ongoing discussions. He stated, "Looking forward to our talks tomorrow as well, which will surely go a long way in further cementing the bonds of friendships between India and Russia." This visit comes amidst India's stance on supporting regional peace and stability amidst the Ukraine crisis. Modi reiterated India's commitment to playing a supportive role in promoting peace and stability in the region. As the talks between Modi and Putin continue to unfold, the world watches closely for developments in Indo-Russian relations and their implications on global geopolitics.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.